Hello, welcome again. We are solving some questions of thermal engineering. The topic is power plant. Question number 122 from GATE 2020 ME-01 is the compressor of a gas turbine plant operating on an ideal intercooled Brayton cycle accomplishes an overall compression ratio of 6 in a two-stage compression process. Intercooling is used to cool the air coming out from the first stage to the initial temperature of the first stage before its entry to the second stage. Air enters the compressor at 300 kPa and 300 Kelvin and 100 kPa. If the properties of gas are constant, the intercooling pressure for the minimum compressor work is dash kPa, round up to 2 kPa. So as intercooling is perfect because the air is cooled to its initial temperature. So it means the intercooling is perfect. For perfect intercooling, the intermediate pressure is root P max by P max into P min. So P max is your P max, because this is your P minimum is your 100 kPa. So as overall compression ratio is your 6. So the P max will be your 600 kPa. So it will be 6 into 100. Okay, and this is your 100. So this is your 244.9 kPa. So for perfect intercooling, the intermediate pressure is 244.9 kPa in the diagram.